Welcome, I'm David Geiger. A coalition is back asking the president to remove tariffs from the previous administration. The Tariff Reform Coalition relaunched and is composed of a broad alliance of business and ag groups who say they were harmed by import tariffs. The group urges rollbacks of Section 232 and Section 301 tariffs, alleging it causes serious damage and asking the Biden administration to take another look and Congress to hold hearings. These tariffs affect imports of steel and aluminum, which affect bins and farm equipment. The coalition includes the National Council of Farmer Cooperatives, the National Pork Producers Council, and Farmers for Free Trade. An Iowa senator's bill to address cattle transparency is not supported by some in the industry. Senator Chuck Grassley's bipartisan bill intends to increase competition and transparency among meat packers who buy directly from independent producers, requiring a minimum of 50% of a packer's weekly volume of beef slaughter be bought on the open market. But the National Cattlemen's Beef Association does not support it. Its leadership says it misses the mark, and any legislative solution must account for unique geographic regions. While it commends Grassley for introducing the bill, the NCBA is pushing for the Cattle Market Transparency Act of 2021 instead. And markets are waiting on a major report Wednesday. Our analyst Alan Brugler has the week recap.
Corn market's mostly been going sideways this week. A couple up days, couple down days. A lot of positioning going on for the USDA reports on the 31st. They've had a reputation of being very large move drivers, over 14 cents a bushel average move in corn, and more than that in the soybeans. So the market is very cautious about that. You're seeing a lot of the open interest roll out of the May contracts in corn and beans to go to the back months, trying to get away from that dynamic a little bit. Cattle futures been rallying all week. Got pretty good bid behind them. Cash trade actually traded 116 on the electronic exchange at midweek. That was up $1 from last week. And of course, is being supported by the hog market, which is really phenomenal. The market's got a perfect storm of tight cold storage stocks, more so on the pork than the beef. It's got solid exports for the pork. China's still got problems with ASF. And then the Hogs and Pigs report on Thursday afternoon said we had fewer hogs than expected and fewer sows than expected, and producers weren't expanding as much as expected. So that was all friendly to the meat complex.
On the Iowa side of that hog report, inventory is down from a year ago. The National Agricultural Statistics Service says Iowa had 23.8 million hogs and pigs on farm, down 2% from a year ago. The December through February pig crop was just shy of 6 million head, with a total of 530,000 sows farrowed through the quarter, with the average pig per litter at 11.3. Iowa continues to be the top hog producer in the nation, raising more animals than the next 3 states combined. And that's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.